My name is Jason Brustein. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee replacement with Resurgence Orthopedics. I grew up in upstate New York and transitioned through college and medical school in New York State. Did my residency training in Pennsylvania and just completed a hip and knee replacement fellowship program with the world famous Rothman Orthopedic Institute in Philadelphia, South Jersey. My specialty is joint replacement, particularly that's hip and knee replacement. I love the opportunity to be able to take care of patients who have bad hips, bad knees, offer specialized treatment including the anterior approach hip replacement. I've even done some training in robotic hip and knee replacement, which is a new emerging technology, and I think that's a cutting-edge technique to be able to afford my patients. I love that I'm able to take otherwise healthy people and improve their mobility and find out exactly what they need for their care, whether that's treatment with surgery or treatment with conservative measures. So a patient that I'll never forget is a gentleman who came into our office to be seen for his knee. He had polio as a child and needed a knee reconstruction with a knee replacement. We were able to get the surgery done for him, and the gratitude that he expressed to us after having his knee reconstructed and being able to be independent and mobile was something that had a profound effect on me and will continue to motivate me throughout my career. Patients should choose Resurgence because we're a full spectrum practice that can offer the full scope of orthopedic as well as physical medicine and rehab care. Our doctors are committed to the most cutting-edge techniques in surgical as well as non-surgical treatment and patient care. I'm more than willing to see any patient who would like to be seen in our Griffin or McDonough offices. I would direct you to the website or to our phone number to give us a call, and we're more than happy to help you.